Imagine that your customer requires every single product unit you manufacture to be labeled with a barcode like this one, following a specific structure. And now, you need to prepare and print 5,000 labels for a large production batch. To begin, let's make a copy of our barcode generator file so that the original file stays unchanged. You can decide what kind of label you want to create. It can be a label with only a barcode, a label with 2 lines, for example, a barcode and a product description, or a label with 3 lines, depending on your needs. In this example, let's use a 3-line label. Now go to the List to Print sheet. First, let's place the barcode structure requirements nearby so they are easy to reference while we build the formula. Now, we can assemble the barcode value from its different parts: the packing list number, the purchase order number, and the purchase order line number. At the end, we also add a unique sequential item number. In our table, that sequential number is generated automatically with leading zeros. Of course, you can start the numbering not from 1, but from any number that makes sense for your company. You can also use a completely different numbering logic if needed. Next, let's decide what will appear in the bottom line of the label, below the barcode. For example, this could be the company name and address. And above the barcode, we'll place the product name. Now let's move to the A424 by 70 by 37 3 lines sheet. This is where the data from the list of 5,000 items is automatically arranged into printable label sheets. Let's take a look at how the label will appear. Using the filter in the right-hand column, Row, and selecting Text 1, Barcode, or Text 2, you can apply different formatting to each type of row. For example, you can control whether the content is aligned to the middle, top, or bottom. You can also change the font, color, and other formatting settings. Let's do a quick example. We'll select all barcode rows and reduce the font size by 1 point. Then, let's make the background yellow. After that, let's select the first text line and make it bold. And for the third text line, let's place it in the center instead of aligning it to the top. As you work, it's a good idea to check the print preview from time to time, just to make sure everything looks the way you want. If you want to print only the barcode on your labels, select a different sheet, such as this one, or 2 rows, such as this one. If you want to print labels in a different size and configuration, you can do so using standard Excel tools, our formula, and fonts. Once everything looks right, your labels are ready to print. Use special label paper like this and print them on a regular laser printer.